Good morning to our lecturer, Mr. Suresh, son of Narayasamy, and all my friends. My name is Hussein Hawari bin Farid, my mentor number 23-21 F1049, and my member team is Muhammad Hadif Aizat bin Muhammad Hamdan, 23-21 F1006, Muhammad Harith bin Zurita, 23-21 F1009, and Nur Nabila binti Ramli, 23-21 F1021. Today, our team will be present about saline soils.
Thank you. My name is Nur Nabila bint Ramli. My method number 23-21F1021. I want to explain the definition saline soil. Number 1. Saline soil occurred by the sea and around river mouth and constantly inundated by sea or brackish water. Number 2. Contains toxic concentration for soluble source in the root zone. Number 3. Soluble source consists of chlorides and sulfate of soil, calcium, and magnesium. Number 4. Because of the weak equation formed to the source, the saline soil, also called weak alkali soil, contains a high percentage of soluble source and is usually fall in crystal area. Number 5. Formed by the accumulation for source in soil and groundwater and by the inundation and lamp with merry salt water. Lastly, saline soils generally occur in low rainfall regions in Malaysia. Next slide, I want to explain two types of salinity. Primarily occurring salinity. Primary salinity occurs neutral in soil and water. Explain of neutral occurring is saline area equity, soil local, soil pars, soil mixture, then soil phyllic. Secondary result for human activity. Secondary salinity is soility that result for human activity. Using land development and agriculture come form of secondary salinity. Number 1. Irrigated areas here as a result for raising groundwater table for irrigation irrigated of the using for boil quality water. Number 2. Dry land. No irrigated landscape generally as a result of cleaning vegetation and chairs in land using. Number 3. Seawater intrusion. Crystal aquifer system with seawater replace groundwater that has been over employed. Lastly is point sources. Legal level of source in different form intervention, agriculture and industry wastewater. Next slide, I pass to Muhammad Harid.
My name is Muhammad Harid bin Zulita, and my matrix number is 23-21F1009. Today, I will present about the chemical of saline salt. There are 6 characteristics. It is chemical, physical, effect on flame growth, soil improvement, geographical distribution, and groundwater quality. First, chemical. Among the chemicals found in saline salts are neutral soluble salt consisting of chloride and sulfate of sodium, calcium, and magnesium. Moreover, the pH of salinate salt found in saline salt is less than 8.2. Second, physical. In the presence of an excess of neutral soluble salt, clean fraction accumulates and the salt has a stable structure. Moreover, the permeability of salt to water and air, other physical properties, is generally comparable to that ordinary salt. Next is a effect on flame growth. In saline salt, flame growth is affected mainly through the effect of excessive salt on the osmotic pressure of the salt solution, resulting in reduced water availability. Then it was line improvement. Saline salt improvement essentially requires the removal of soluble salt in the root zone through leaching and drainage. Admixture application may generally not be required. Next is a geographical distribution. Saline salts tend to dominate in arid and semi-arid regions. Finally, the quality of groundwater. Groundwater in area dominated by saline salt generally has high electrolyte concentration and potential salinity hazard. That's all for me. Next, I will pass to my group member to continue.
Thank you to Mama Haris bin Zurita. Next is control method. First, drainage is the primary method of controlling soil salinity. The drainage system should permit a small fraction of the irrigation water. Second, the salt concentration of the drainage water is normally 5 to 10 times higher than that of the irrigation water. Third, that the salinity of the drainage water has come down to a normal value and a new favorable equilibrium is reached. The last is salt export will greatly exceed salt import, so that with the same drainage fraction a rapid desalinization occurs.
Suitable crops. Most crops do not grow well on soil that contains salts. One reason is that salt causes reduction in the rate and amount of water that the plant root can take up from the soil. Also, some salts are toxic to plant when present in high concentration. A high salt concentration in the soil is harmful for the plants as the water uptake is reduced. First, highly tolerant date palm, barley, sugar beet, cotton, asparagus, and spinach. Then second, moderately tolerant, which is wheat, tomato, oats, alfalfa, rice, maize, flax, potatoes, carrot, onion, cucumber, pomegranate, fig, olive, and grape. The highly tolerant crops can withstand a salt concentration of the saturation extract up to 10 gigaliters, and the moderately tolerant crops can withstand salt concentration up to 5 gigaliter. And that's all from us. Thank you.